Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these ECOVACS D-Bot antibacterial dust bags. So this is for my robot vacuum cleaner that I'm going to put in. I've got the D10. I've got the D-Bot N10. And I'll show you how I put it in, but let's talk about the bag. So it does seem like it's got like 3 layers of thickness. So I think it's going to keep all the dust in. There's like a seal here. When you put the bag in, when you take it out, you're going to pull this up and that's going to close off this opening. Then you can take the bag and throw it away and nothing's going to come out of the opening there. Okay, so this is exactly 3.5 inches by 4 1/8, and the opening's about 1 3/4 inches down. The opening is about 1.5 inches. Now the bag size, the seam is about 6.5 by 5 1/4. That way, left to right, looks like about 6 3/4. Okay, so here's my ECOVACS robot. You simply pop this open and see how it slides down there in that track. And there's also something for these to pop out in. So when we're done, we simply just slide this up and I can pull that lever. But there is a micro switch down in here that has to make in order for the robot to recognize the bag. So down right there, that cardboard's going to depress that micro switch. So when you want to put it in like this, but it has to go in this track right here. All right, and these little things pop out, the micro switch is in, put the bag in there, close the lid, you're ready to go. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.